Mount Takao in harmony with the rich nature of Tokyo. The Hachioji Factory is located along the Asa River and the Hachiko line that connects Hachioji and Takasaki. The Hachioji Factory specializes in various types of rust-compliant plating, as well as the acquisition of JIS Q9100 for aerospace and mill standards. We are studying every day as a state-of-the-art plating factory that handles aerospace and defense parts. Aerospace line. Nickel plating that is silvery white, hard, has excellent corrosion resistance, and exhibits ferromagnetism. Tin plating used in many fields with highly reliable solar wettability. Plating solution analysis that enables in-house plating solution management, ICP. We provide better quality through an inspection system to provide good products to our customers. We are working to create a factory that is friendly to people and the environment by using a wastewater treatment system in the factory. Taking advantage of these characteristics, the Hachioji Factory will propose the optimum plating.